How to change language in Excel. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can change language in Excel. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, navigate to this file option at the top left corner, and from this menu bar you have to head towards the option. Under the Excel option, again navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. Here is an option for language, then click on it. Now at the top you have a section for language. If you have your preferred language under this box, then you can select the language and then click on move up. Or if you don't have your preferred language here, you have to add the language. For that, click on add a language. Now from this box you have to select the language that you want to add. For example, if you want to add German language, then you have to select German, then you have to install, click on install, and once the language is added, again you have to select the language from here, then you have to click on move up, and with that your language will be changed in Excel. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.